I'm Sarah McKee, and I'm a graduate of the Welding program at San Diego College of Continuing Education. After finishing my course and getting some certificates here at the College of Continuing Education, I'm really excited to start TIG welding at an aerospace company. When I went to college, I had every intention of majoring in math and becoming a teacher. So I taught for 1 year. I loved my students, but I was ready for a change. I left teaching, I went back into building, and I saw that this program was open again, and I'd wanted to go ever since hearing about the program because I just wanted to learn more about welding. Started with stick welding, 2 sections of that, and then 2 sections of gas metal arc welding and flux core. I appreciated so much having 3 hours a day, 4 days a week, just dedicated to practice. Practice the same thing over and over again until it's absolutely perfect. To have this opportunity and have it be free, that definitely made it much more feasible for me. I wasn't even 100% sure this was gonna be a career. I mostly was still kind of doing it for fun, and I just really enjoy learning new things. And so, but as I went into it, I was like, this is a really awesome opportunity, being an actual career pivot for me, which I'm really excited about now.